Letter number 17. In reply to a letter from Marvia. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. As for your demand to me to hand over Syria, I cannot give you today what I denied you yesterday. As regards your saying that the war has eaten up Arabia save its last breath, you should know that he whom right has eaten up goes to paradise and he whom wrong has eaten up goes to hell. As for our equality in the art of war and in numbers of men, certainly you cannot be more penetrating in doubtfulness of belief than I am in certainty of belief. And the people of Syria are not more greedy for this world than the people of Iraq are for the next world. As for your saying that both of us are sons of Abd-Manaf, it is no doubt so. But Umayyah cannot be like Hashim, nor Harab like Abdul-Muttalib, nor can Abu Sufyan be like Abu Talib. The immigrant cannot be a match for him who was set free on the day of fall of Makkah, nor can one of pure descent be a match for him who has been adopted, nor the pursuer of truth be a match of the adherent to wrong, nor a believer be a match for a hypocrite. How bad are the successors who go on following their predecessors who have fallen in the fire of hell. Besides that, we also have the distinction of prophethood among us, by virtue of which we subdued the strong and raised up the downtrodden. When Allah made Arabia enter the fold of His religion, and the people submitted to it willingly or unwillingly, you were among those who entered the religion either from greed or from fear, at a time when those who had gone first had preceded. And the first immigrants had acquired their peculiar distinction. Now, do not allow Shaitan have a share with you nor let him have his sway over you, and that is an end to the matter.